Hello, Sula here from Hilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 traveler's notebook layout that I titled Blue Skies, and I'm using just a simple paper pad that I got locally in my hometown, and it has a pattern on the one side and then just a plain color on the back side, and so I can use it either way. So I am using the various either solid colors or pattern colors for that. So here I decided I will just put a full pattern paper background on the one page and then play a little bit with some smaller pieces of paper. So here I am using the back side, which is just the solid color there of the pattern paper to kind of create a matte or just a contrasting but not too crazy busy. And then this one is actually I created as a matte, but then decided to just offset it a little bit rather than just fully matting the photo with this. It's a busy page, but I felt it was still going to work this way. And then I have this simple strip of paper that will go on the other side to the very edge of the page, and then it will be combined with a strip of washi tape that I felt had matched the colors of this pretty well. So it all works out. And so here I am just adding that washi tape there. Same, just a shorter strip to repeat the strip idea there. And then I have these flowers, and these flowers, so the back side of this right side paper strip there is just a plain yellow that you can find in the pattern paper there. And so I decided I will just take that yellow and just stamp a bunch of flowers, and I just so happen to have flowers that look very similar in style to the style of the patterns on that paper on the left side. And so I was really happy because it kind of emulates the exact same feel with the flowers, but being actual flowers rather than just a pattern paper. So then I just the foliage, I just used one of my dies to cut them out, and then I created some light blue flower or just flowers there using another one of my dies there. So just adding a little more interest to that, so it's not just one flower. And then so I'm also putting one more flower there on the right side of the page, and that is how it's creating a visual triangle, which helps with the design looking a little nicer. Here I need to decide where I want the second petal to go, and I decided to just put it a little at an angle there, and I need to put it down before I actually glue down the flower, and that's what I'm doing. And then obviously I have one flower left that will go also in that area there. And then I have some more strips, word strips that I have that I am sharing as freebie on my blog MistyHilltops.com, so you can check it out there. And there's a whole bunch of freebies. There's a whole spring collection that if you're interested in, you can download for free as a freebie. And then so here I just basically printed them on cardstock, then trimmed them apart, and now I can always use them on my pages there, and I like to use them as additional embellishment, especially when I just use paper packs that don't come with coordinating embellishments. Then I have to create my own embellishments, which I have been doing here with the flowers, and then I find that these word strips add just a little extra fun to a page there. Here they almost get lost, however, in the pattern, but it's all right. I don't mind when a page is a little more busy. You have the contrast there on the other side where it's not so busy, and so it just turns out, I think, okay. So anyways, I will be leaving you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.